Hello, how are you today? Can I take your order, please?
Hi, I'd like to put in a pickup order for Andrew.
Can I have your pickup time, Andrew, please?
Yes, let's make it 3 p.m. today.
Andrew, I've got your 3 p.m. pickup order for today. What can I get for you?
What's your sandwich special today?
Our special today is the mussel and pickled sandwich for £4 each.
Let's go one of those, please.
One mussel and pickled sandwich for £4. Would you like to add a soft drink, £1 each?
Yes, one Coca-Cola, please.
One mussel and pickled sandwich, £4, and one Coca-Cola, £1. Would you like cake to go with that?
What types of cakes do you have available?
We have 6 types: chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, lemon, carrot, and red velvet. Each slice is £2.
Let's go carrot cake, please.
One slice of carrot cake, £2. So to recap, one mussel and pickled sandwich, £4, one Coca-Cola, £1, and one slice of carrot cake, £2. You have a £7 order for pickup at 3 p.m. Have a nice day.
Perfect, thank you very much. So what you just saw there was a very basic demo of an AI voice server running on Replit, using Twilio to communicate with it, Deepgram to do the transcriptions and the voice, and Groq acting as the LLM. So now I'm going to show you how to build it. My name's Andrew, and I'm going to show you how to build your own AI voice server. So first of all, you're going to need 4 different services. You're going to need to have Twilio for the communication. You're going to need to have a Deepgram account for the transcription and also the voices. You're going to need to have a Groq account for the LLM, and you're going to need a Replit to host it on. This can be a free version. They give you 600 minutes per month, so you can test it out. I'm assuming that you already have all of these accounts set up. If not, pop over to those sites now and set up an account. It's pretty simple, and I won't go through it here because I'm sure everybody can handle that. So the first thing we're going to need to do is set up our Replit. So if you pop over to your Replit repository, go into here, and I've actually included a link with this video that you'll need to cut and paste over to your URL, and that will show you the script that I've created for you. Basically, here it is. All you need to do is go up to the right hand corner here and click fork. Give it the name you want to call it and click fork. This will then put it into your account and set it up. So the first thing you're going to need to do is set up your API keys. So to do that, go up to this plus up here, click on that, type in secrets, there it is, click on it, and it's going to ask you for your Deepgram API key and your Groq API key. So we'll head over to Deepgram here. Once you're in here, you can come to create a new API key, click on that. The box will open up and ask you to pop a name in. We'll pop that in there like that. Click Create Key. This is your Deepgram API key. All you need to do is click the copy button here and go back to your Replit server and pop it into there like that. And once you've done that, just hit Add Secret and it'll pop it in. Now we need to do the same with Groq. So if we head over to, we can click the Create API key, pop the name of the API key in there, hit submit, and it will give you your API key. All you need to do is copy that, go back over to your Replit server and pop it in here and click Add Secret. So that's basically all set up now. The next thing we need to do is go to the top here and click Run, wait for it to start, and then to click Stop. Now what this does is it gives you your Replit ID here. So you're going to need to add this over on your Twilio account. So if you just highlight that, don't click on it, but right click and go copy, it will copy it to your clipboard. Then we can go over to Twilio, and on the left hand side here you'll need to go to the phone number area. You'll need to go to manage. Now if you already have some active phone numbers in your account, you can link this to a phone number, but in this case we're just going to use the softphone that Twilio provides. So we're going to go to the Twiml apps, We're going to go to create new Twiml app. We're going to give it a friendly name so we know it's in there. And then we're going to post our URL that we received in there like that and click create. Now that this is set up, we can click on the application name and you'll see that you've got use Twilio client here. So if we pop back to our Replit repository here, click run again, you'll see that it started and it's ready. We'll go back to Twilio, click call using Twilio client, click that, and we'll go back
Hello,
here.
how are you today? Can I take your order, please?
Yes, my name's Andrew. Can I put in a pickup order, please?
Hi, Andrew. We'd be happy to take your order for pickup. What time would you like to collect it?
Probably 1 p.m. this afternoon.
1 o'clock works for us. So what can I get for you, Andrew? Can I start with the sandwich choice? Maybe our special, the mussel and pickled sandwich, which is just £4.
Yes, let's have one of those, please.
1 mussel and pickled sandwich, lovely. What drink would you like to go with that, Andrew? We have soft drinks for £1 each.
No drinks today. That's just the order.
Just the mussel and pickled sandwich for £4. Would you like to add something sweet? We have 6 types of cake for £2.
No, just the sandwich, please.
Got it. 1 mussel and pickled sandwich for £4. I'll put that in for a 1 p.m. pickup. You have a nice day, Andrew.
Thank you very much. We can end the call there. If we go back, you can see the transcription of the call. So in the middle here, we have our script. So I'll just walk you through that so you can understand what you can change and what you can't. At the top here, we've got our dependencies. Don't worry about that. The next option is we have our welcome message. This is the first message that is spoken when you connect to the AI voice server. Don't need to worry about any of this. It's just server things. Now down here, this is the Deepgram transcription system, and it will gives you a couple of different options here. You can change the model. So in this case, I'm using the Nova phone call, but you could use Nova 2. There's Nova conversation. If you go over to the Deepgram documentation and have a look under models and languages, you'll see that it tells you about the different models, what they can be used for, how to use them, and what is available here. So you can select any of those and pop them back here over at Replit in here as you wish. So you can play around with them and see which one works best for you. Down here is a basic system prompt that you'll all be aware of. Down here we've got the chat history, and then just below that we've got the option to set the chat history length. So at the moment I have it set to 40 messages, so it's remembering the last 40 messages that have been sent backwards and forwards. But you could take that up to 100, you could take it down to 10. It just depends how big you want the request that's sent to Groq to be each time it's sent over. Further down here you have got the Deepgram voices that you can use. So you don't need to touch any of the encoding, container, or the sample rate. You just need to change the model. And again, if you pop over to Deepgram voices, you'll be able to see here they've got a list of voices, and you'll be able to run through and play.
Okay, perfect.
The sample voices.
Hello, is this Allison? Hi.
Once you've selected the voice you want, you just need to highlight the name, go back over to Replit, and paste it in there. And once you click run, you will be away. And that is really about it for running your own AI voice server. So good luck, and let me know how you go.